Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making some homemade granola bars. So I'm using some pecans, some raisins, some walnuts, some dark chocolate. I already chopped them. Some almonds. You can use whole almonds as well. And these are dried cranberries. Some chia seeds. A little bit of salt. You can use sea salt. And I'm adding a mix of syrup, a maple syrup and honey. This allows this to, thicken together and to combine together. So just mix and pour them in a lined dish or pan. So once I pour this in this dish, what I'm going to do is just to set it at 350 degrees in the oven for about 20 minutes. You can skip that step if you decide to set the syrup and the honey in a pan and just cook it for a while in a pan just for it to caramelize. Once it does that, you just pour it in your nuts, or you use this method by setting it in the oven. And here you see it, it's ready now. So what you want to do is just to let it cool before you cut. And yeah, your homemade granola bar is ready. So just so you know, you can always use your choice of nuts. You can always substitute for whatever works best for you. And thank you so much once again for tuning into Abby's Home Kitchen. You can also check me on other social media on Instagram at Abby's Home Kitchen, on Pinterest, Abby's Home Kitchen, on Facebook as well. And thank you so much once again. If you haven't subscribed, please do not forget to click that subscribe button. Also, remember to like this video and share. Thank you. See you. Bye.